All right, guys, another short video because I have a thing tonight. So let me put this up real quick to remind everybody this is just going to be a video of stuff that could give us some nice trades tomorrow. The intraday action to me has been kind of lousy, and once again had a really nice trade in after hours on USAR as a sympathy to MP, which had earnings. So that made my day in after hours. It didn't do much all day. So anyway, SPY gapped up but closed red. Let me get some numbers for you, and then I'm going to go right into what we're watching for tomorrow. Appreciate the teamwork in chat today. Call of the day, I would say Nora, NVAX, NVAX over 8, went to 888 on like a dime risk. So that was probably the call of the day when it comes to risk reward, right? The numbers are the NASDAQ was up 73 and the Dow down 224. A lot of earnings after hours. I'll just talk about one. TTD is trading at 64. It went all the way down to 61.50 in after hours. Right now it's trading at 64-ish. Maybe one to watch tomorrow for a overdone gap down, but we'll see. You don't know what it's going to do the rest of after hours. But anyway, let me go into what we are watching for tomorrow. And I'll start with USAR. I love the daily chart here. It had a nice piece put out on it today by some newsletter and got nice volume, and today's high 1514. It's trading at 1520 in after hours, but it went to 1590 there on that MP earnings. Anyway, I like the way I could draw the line here with an arrow, or kind of with my arrow. I may put out a chart later to show you how coiled this is. It could easily resolve to the upside. So I like that chart a lot, so it goes on long watch. American Eagle just goes back on watch. I like just kind of a quiet day today. I really like it over 13. Tomorrow, if it breaks 1288, that might be enough to take out 13, then maybe take out this high, and the 200-day is looming up above, which you can't see on this chart. But EBS, I think they did some kind of offering or something after hours, but double check that. It's still holding up well, and I could be wrong about that. A lot of symbols dancing around in my head. Anyway, very strong day. It's trading at 813 right now, so it's not like it got killed in after hours. Want to watch that one. CRML and any other rare earth, by the way. This thing's kind of coiled. Hang on a second. All right, anyway, this thing's coiled, and the rare earths are definitely in play. Yeah, they've been in the news a lot lately, and MP has just been killing it. So that one goes on watch. SKYT, big breakout today and a strong close. Certainly worth keeping an eye on. GO, kind of a rest day maybe after that big rip yesterday. Held up pretty well. NVAX, I already mentioned that one. Big volume and a lot of shorts in it. It's also come a long way in a short period of time up into resistance. It makes me like it a little bit less, but I am going to put it on a chart. SLDP, nice volume today and kind of up near recent highs. CCCC, again, another one with nice volume and a pretty strong close. CMCT, really big volume day, closing at 926. The high was 980. It's actually trading at 863 in after hours right now, though. But that one is interesting because of the volume. What else do we have? MRM had news in after hours, and it's trading at 192 right now. It went all the way to 218, so it actually broke this 203 high back here on a nice headline. So we definitely want to keep that one on watch tomorrow. Joby, I'm going to put on bounce watch. They had earnings, and so it gapped down, and so I was kind of near support. And I'm not really bothered by Joby having earnings because I don't think they're at the point where earnings are why people are piling into this, right? But they keep getting new deals, new contracts, and I think that is certainly a stock to watch. I like it as a potential bounce play tomorrow. And then Crocs, I'm going to put on watch. They had earnings, and it just got destroyed. Let's go out to 3-year weekly. And going back 3 years, 65.90, somewhere 65.17 is the low. That thing just got killed. And I think that might get a snapback bounce, right? We don't know, but it's certainly overdone. And for whatever reason, those shoes are popular. So anyway, that's it. We'll add gappers in the pre-market. I'll be here, I don't know, 6:30 in the morning adding gappers to this watch list. And appreciate the teamwork, everyone. We'll see you in chat.